Hello guys. All right, we are here for another beautiful tutorial, and today don't forget we are on introduction to Corel. And these things that I'm teaching you, when we enter into real action in Corel, if you don't know these things, it's gonna be a very big problem for you as a graphic designer with Corel. Something, and let me say I was using the shape, and like I had a design and I was doing, let me just try to do a quick design, simple and a quick design here. Okay, let me just say I wanted to use a pink color, right? And I want to use a text function. Let me just say introduction. Yeah, I have this guy already, so I like to just position the guy here in the center. Then now I have another text and introduction to Corel course 1. Okay, like this. I'll just let me just say I have this. The next tutorial will teach on fonts, okay, on how to use the text tool on this thing. So I'll just align like this for now to make you eager for the next class. You understand? All right, so I have this font like this, and I'm assuming here that this guy was behind and I cannot see it. How do you do to be able to see this stuff? How do you are able to see the text? It's simply not showing because there's a layer on another layer, and since because the shape layer is coming in first, you cannot see the text layer. Remember the first time it was visible, so I bet if you guys are sensitive, you'll be able to already understand how to be able to see the text layer. Can you guess? Okay, guess in the comment below. All right, now for you to be able to see the layer, you need to come to this object. Click on object. Sometimes it may be on properties. Please look here as it has been zoomed. Click on object. Under object, you come to page 1. You will see it there. You will see now that the A, which is introduction to Corel course 1, is down and this guy is up. So for us to be able to see this guy that is down, we're supposed to take carry this Corel and take it above the rectangle. Please take note, because most of the time you might be designing and maybe it may put text and you are not seeing what you have put. For you to be able to see this, you must be able to know how to use this very well. Sometimes maybe you are designing and it's disturbing you, you must also be able to know the importance of this key, this small eye at the edge. This eye like that, when you click on it, it becomes invisible. Then when you click on it, it becomes visible. Another thing is to lock. Maybe you have already centralized what you wanna do, and you have already centralized it, and you want this text to remain here. For example, the introduction, I don't want to touch it again, and I don't want to be shaking. So how do I make it to stop shaking? It's simple. Look at this small lock at the corner. Immediately you click on it, you'll not be able to shake it again. It remains there forever. So please make sure that you save this and write down notes on this, because as you be learning graphics, you will come to a place that you must be able to apply these stuffs. Especially as a basic graphic designer, these are some of the problems that basic graphic designers they face daily. So I hope you love today's tutorial. If you love my classes, don't forget to go and comment that Wemno Daniel Prince, a very good teacher in Corel. So, and if you don't understand anything, don't forget we have a live session to teach you on how to do this properly. So today I was teaching you about to use this object and this layer function very well. We have established that for you to be able to see some layers, you must be able to know that when a layer is down, for example, if I carry this Corel course 1 and I bring it below the rectangle, I won't be able to see the introduction to Corel course 1. If I carry this introduction to Corel course 1 and take it now above it, it's from then that I'll be able to see it. And also establish the lock function and the eye function. If you don't want to see something, what do? You simply click here, you don't see it. And if you want to see something, you simply unclick it. And you see currently right now the introduction is unmovable because I have locked it, and for me to be able to move it from one place to another, you need to click on this, you need to unlock it, and now you'll be able to move it from one place to another. So thank you very much.